Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. I had to cover it, of course. I know a lot of you have followed for the Dogecoin content. And right now, the situation, I would say, is pretty interesting. All right, what we're seeing in general is that right now the market is getting very, very risk on. All right, so in general, what we're seeing is that the funding rates are very, very high. So that means that capital is kind of shifting away from the traditional bullish performers. Not completely. I mean, a lot of bigger cryptos are still very bullish. But if you look at these, I mean, a coin like Matic, Cardano, XRP has moved a bit, but Solana, they tend to move more slowly. All right. So what happens, and it's been especially true in this relatively bullish market circumstances. I haven't seen it this much or this quickly before, but a lot of money has shifted to meme coins. Pepe, Dog with Hat, Floki, Shiba, and Dogecoin are old classic, all right? So that's what's going on right now market structure-wise. And for Dogecoin itself, I mean, Dogecoin at this moment, I would say, is still very bullish, right? We found a significant resistance right here at 10 cents. Big psychological resistance level, but you also have the 786 FIB there, for example. So we got up to that level. We had a major bullish breakout earlier. I actually wanted to buy Dogecoin right here on Monday, but I missed it. I didn't see it, and back then I thought, oh, that boat has already sailed. Well, in theory, like I said, I did not expect this bullish momentum or this explosion from these meme coins, so I just missed it. Unfortunately, but I think most of you, if you're watching this video, probably have not missed it, which is great. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on what's going on. Now, getting back to those markets and talking about those funding rates, something like this is usually unsustainable, all right? So what this usually will cause is some sort of a big drop. And just in general, what you usually see is that if all of the meme coins start to rally, we're probably in for some sort of a bigger reset, big drop, consolidation, something like that, all right? So market structure ways, I'm preparing for that. Now, if you look at Dogecoin now, though, to be a little bit more positive, it doesn't necessarily mean that we'll have that crash or that flush today or tomorrow. At this moment, the open interest is still up a lot, all right? Now, it's not only buy orders. There were a lot of buy orders earlier. Right now, it's really up and down. There's also just some people closing positions. There's some shorts being opened as well, which is interesting to see. But it's very much both. But at this moment, open interest is still very high. CVD is not necessarily negative. So in these market circumstances, I think technically the most likely scenario is a continuation. However, I don't want to tell you to buy Dogecoin right now, because like I said, I think it's best to, if you really want to buy Dogecoin, look at an event like this, right? Something like this, a flush like this is going to happen in the next week. So if something like that is going to happen, you need a very quick and a very big return if you want to sustain something like that. So if you really want to buy Dogecoin for the long term, I would wait for that spike down. And sure, at this moment, technically, it looks most likely that we'll break above 10 cents, since Bitcoin is still bullish, since momentum is still very high, and since Dogecoin had a super bullish reaction from 9.5 cents. So I do think that that's most likely purely technically seen, but I almost have to say that because of the numbers I see. But on the other hand, what I would love to tell you is just to wait for a breakout. If we break above 10 cents, if we close above that, it's quite likely we're heading up for 10.5, potentially even 11 cents. But if we never break above that, it's never going to happen. While on the other hand, if our main support level fails to hold at 9.5 cents, so if we break down below that, you can be pretty sure in these market circumstances we'll have a big drop. So wait for that confirmation is what I think the best thing is to do right now. In general, like I said, it seems most likely will continue going up. So do with that what you'd like. But that is, I think, everything I wanted to tell you in this video. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.